Aloha, we are in the most desirable neighborhood, Hawaii Kai. If you are looking for the outdoor activity, no matter with the hiking or the water, you will love this neighborhood. Hawaii Kai provides the hiking access and the water access. If you like outdoor activities, you definitely will like this. Hawaii Kai provides a diverse range of housing options, including townhouse, condo, and single-family house. The median price of Hawaii Kai is $1.1 million in April. Why people love Hawaii Kai? Because Hawaii Kai have very easy access to water and mountain. People love hiking. We have the Koko Head. People like water activities. We have Hanauma Bay. People love marina. Then we have the marina for you. So Hawaii Kai is a Hawaii lifestyle that you are looking for.